Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have your composition and goal. Now start by isolating the subject and removing clutter. Begin with a tight crop and push non-essential items out of frame because space only works when the eye isn't distracted. Once done, balance contrast so the subject reads against empty areas. Pay attention to edges and margins. Make sure you leave consistent breathing room. This first step sets the visual hierarchy and makes all later adjustments far easier to judge. Now refine how negative space interacts with your subject by shaping gaps into meaningful forms. Move elements subtly to create leading paths. You want the empty areas to guide the eye toward the focal point. Use a simple grid or rule of thirds to maintain balance and test different positive to negative ratios like 60-40 or 70-30 to see which feels stronger. Make sure edges and line weights harmonize so the space looks intentional rather than accidental. Finish by testing the composition at scale and in context. Zoom out and view from different distances to confirm the negative space still reads. Tweak spacing, contrast, and element size in small steps so you preserve balance. If things go wrong and the design feels cluttered again, remove or mute the least important element, simplify color contrast, or increase margins. A quick troubleshooting tip: if the eye gets stuck, add breathing room near the focal point, and the problem usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.